here. All right, so what a good morning.
Good morning.
Now, who are dear?
Yes, I don't mean who you are. Your fellow, no, your guest.
Sure.
And in them for phobia or more Kumafi. Only the Ashanti Regional Plastic Association, one of the best in West Africa. Minfa,
oh, wow.
Yes, among Ashanti, my Munya Dede.
Wow.
But under the ECOWAS Convention on Small Arms, one of the requirements say you understand local guns manufacture. Now, Ashanti Regional Blacksmith Association formed that association to help to combat illicit proliferation. It's one of the best organized in West Africa because many Abwadina or retired commissioner in 2002 and Blacksmith they will help the police to fight illicit proliferation of guns, particularly local manufacture. And it is one of the big stories of Ghana and Ashanti Maya.
Wow. Actually, major details in which you met me a follow up crash said more operations in it here. Now, I know pay your ball plumua and your bonnet, but and no maybe harding. In fact, in terms of our security, my main shall see him free. The first family of the land. The family of the president of the republic. Men shall see him free. Emremunune bambumuno saying na Ghana structure net here for the protection of the family of the first gentleman of the land, the president of the republic. Saying na ya etie.
Brilliant question. Me immersion from the perspective of security. Me PhD criminology, intimate criminology kakabeshim. I think say unya lawyer be able to ashim from a pure legal perspective. Of course, criminology is law. But it is not the law as in law.
Right.
It's mentioned from Wemu. Okay. So I'm sure that there were different type of ways how which me answer your question. One of it, AFA, first family, a symbol of ABR, the presidency, and a symbol of the nation. In other words, one say Obia pay, but the president is different because of position now.
Sure.
I also think say in your mind, even before colonialism, those who are related to him were a particular type of social status. Now, who are particular type of social status, by virtue of that status, who was some privileges being a responsibility be. In certain places, depending on the context, you mount bambo ni different types. I'm sure many produce interested, and I want to interested in how that security you manifested.
Sure.
Then, if that is your question, example, Uba Yempatia during the military regime, in fact, you see that city apple in Burkina, animal in your man. You go find me VIP protection. No, so mukita, it's only physically, mukita rifles, physically. Now, who go outside the West, or we the same protection, VIP protection. Of course, if dry, a different kakra. But in other places, you born president, no buy, you born in color, no buy. But who so mukite to generally, who so mukite suit at no. Because over the years, or more year assessment, who say, they are the type of threat now, we dealing with, the type of guns they need, and usually they are the long ones. They have particular type of guns that they use for close combat, to me, the share in Tadiamu, or to me, once a mobile president to buy a mobile bank of home buyer, and then you mukite to independent who buy you. And yet it's a circle. In fact, which are circle. A bimu a chi and a bimu band of power. Your mobile partner. You might think so, Mupe, baby, and these are very, very complex.
Sure.
Oh, yeah, very, very complex. So the protection is for one aim. To make sure everybody who buy usually as much as possible to be in Kuno. If you are well placed now, but you do your best to take the bullet for the person, But on it takes a lot of training, a lot of logistics, a lot of interest, and taking to achieve a particular level. Because, for example, sometimes one of the greatest weapons is patience. Patience. I put patience. Because it is security, very generally, very difficult to have it at a particular level every time, at everywhere. Baby, beto chima kakra na baby akoso kakra. It is only 15 now. All you need is patience. Patience. Sometimes patience will take you a long time. So what time? Patience. Or you bet you monitor for a long time. And find out what take it. This is the right time to strike. To me, I take a short time. Now, when you take a short time on ya, but generally the patients are very dangerous because the more opportunity to study patterns and then look at the weaker point and then take advantage of it. So to protect the president, to answer your question, your cycles, your way of VIP protection, your mobile no you, if not the only person, if more home you, a lot of it is based on intelligence, threat assessment, normal. So normal so if you think that if there's the eye and what provides security, there be enter.
Right. I think on the issue of the president's security, what satisfies me, getting to the family to say President Ba, Okwa America say those below 16 years, omo entitled to automatic protection. Omo above 16 no, as when ebia the life no be face threats be and answer security issues be a demand and omo provided that protection for the family member of the president. Now oba Ghana hanswa Securities and Intelligence Agencies Act 2020 Act 1030 and so make provisions as specifying crofua as mutiminya such protection, which include the president already can visiting diplomats, persons with diplomatic immunity, and are designated public officials, of which I am near term a bit to say be defense minister, because on your staff would document you say need protecting. In fact, our CDS, who's also a public official and part of the military, or also now who's a military protecting on there. But coming to the family of the president here, enya military protection. I will say military ni protecting, which even the vice president of the republic is being guarded by a police officer. Ministers of state are being guarded by a police officer. What makes it so unique for the son or the child of a president of the republic to be guarded by a military man or a military guard?
Brilliant question. What can normal mean, sir? Baku a example from America. Baku a police protection. Baku a military protection. And what about the at 10:30? America, Britain, generally, you want to say, democratic dispensation higher. But of course, normal including Guantanamo Bay, human rights abuses, including the ECOSU in Venezuela, chiefs now, carry drugs, and not only that, the last time the people escaped and then they still followed up with strike, which is clear violation against American capital laws and international law. So when you be America, the best. That's the first thing. No more we bit me a few, but you no more bit me a few. That's the first.
Right.
Yeah, the fact that America focus above 18, above 16, below no, or no is the ideal situation on paper.
Mm-hmm.
But the threat can be that given the exigencies of the situation, that's the word.
Yeah.
They will provide continuous protection, but protection at what levels, degrees. If you are depending on the threat, on muscle, say above from and now above from, it doesn't mean anybody need protection. Yeah, it's interpreting it to mean say as it depends. It can be 24/7 for the whole life of the president. It's possible, but if there are levels, no down. The other thing they say in law, you can be, but on paper, no. Sorry, on paper, I bet you can be, but in practice, no. Yet me than you need to kakra. Only one thing. Back to Ghana. What are something brilliant?
Thank you.
Which is that why do we use military for policing duties in this country? A problem I mark so many times that we are too quick to use military for policing duties. Police. There's a reason why you are police. Police, there's a way they train them. Police, you are different types. You're from operations unit. In terms of CTU, FPU, SWAT, Nancy, na omu joint visa omu no omu ye handful risk na omu dealing with no kakra inti eka police you different type of police for you the omu ye station work omu ye ordinary police work and no me call ordinary because every police work is important omu ye the regular police work and omu ye enhanced risk. There's a reason why you train your hunya. There's a reason why you further training rappelling in normal. Of course, this is at a particular round to be a rappelling in hunya. But enhanced training, room entry in normal. They are trained for that. And so I think your question is important because you're using military for too much for policing duty. We should change that. Back to your question. Onya uka attended and the people who can be protected. Onya paper full.
Sure.
There are a number of people on protection. You see a beautiful. You try.
Wow.
So yes, they get protection. I had always fought against MPs getting protection. And I'll explain why. You see, the best security of the elite in society is to make sure that ordinary people know or mubamba know a year of a particular level. But if one of the problems are sometimes police appropriate, guard duties. Guard duties. Sometimes need to meet take sometimes a lot of their personnel. A band of the regular policing worker, ordinary people, the commanders are not able to deploy apart from logistics, the car need to man. Sometimes in protection, depending on the district, a lot of the people are protection. Sometimes they are 5% or 3% of the population, but majority of the police are sent there because of guard duties. The police are not able to do the work they are supposed to do because we need the personnel. Because we need a lot of guard duties. Already they are struggling personnel. It's only an issue that as a country we should see the best form of security is to make sure that police can provide security for a lot of the ordinary citizens. And then based on needs assessment, because Nima example, Nigeria in the past month, Tinubu withdraw a lot of police people from protecting individuals. Because a lot of the police were sent to protect very few people of the population. And a big gap, so they couldn't fight the terrorists and the bandits. Because a lot of guard duties start, and if I start here, if you have any public 5 protection, there be a start here, if you go here protection, you're mom 1. That be BSC, there be 1 in Nundos, you're mom 2. That be BSC 2 Nundos, you're mom 3. What you say, then you keep taking the protection to a very few people. A band of the elite for security, a wabble, a better challenge because when you say ordinary people have a minimum level of protection now. One casa would not say, Mubambono, it is tied to everybody.
Okay.
It's about to cooperate with the police, about to provide intelligence, a yaw, on to me, a bad idea, or be kidnapping now, or by the first to report. Because on your, you see, what protection for ABR MP? MP was general or Wamba. So if you don't get the MP, you can target the other family members. So the best thing is to put the police in a situation where the intelligence is strong, where their presence is strong, where they are motivated. A bunch of Sanwa, who make assessment, okay, this MP, between this time and this time, or 2 coin and I are not trying to be you better man to enhance security. A bad one, they are withdraw security, they are more beautiful. So a band of Sana, when you are protecting the president's children, first of all, because the country is generally safe, the type of threat you are dealing with, and they're very, very high. Generally, your exception. Generally, into Abrochia, because generally intelligence, policing, ordinary people understand their role in security. They are all part of a complex network. Into protection, and you are visible as you know, Ubaha in Nigeria. Nigeria protection of and the challenges they have. So the best way is to make sure that the ordinary person has a minimum level of security, that the police can provide minimum level of security in communities, in districts, in regions. Usually threat that because member criminology. In criminology, if it be deterrence and a deterrence, only obey bibia, odi normal basis or amount for your basis from deterrence. Your normal means are here. Baku a severity of punishment. The ethos means certainty of arrest. It is a fortune a dempa. Yet of female, say, Udi Bonia, Yabecho, and the Hushan conformity, a month for 50 betro must be in one type of deterrent, right? One variable. Yet of female, Udi Bonina, Yabechino. Yabecho or Quine Benfu, or Quacodi body, proactively intelligence, Vepekino. And now all course with intelligence, because intelligence and technology can Uncle Cahu, Ebe Buamayachi, Panodi Bonino, and now the Bonino investigation Bemayachin because investigators know resources from Munia, the number of people, the training, the resources from Munia, communities know who sell more role to play in intelligence, in security, they will provide information into the Bonino quite better. Only the Omusian from the last one, the swiftness of punishment. It is no matter severity of punishment, say, affecting an wording, certainty of arrest, say a better. And yet, that say was going to be years. The number of people affecting a power and number of people on the road to play. But I'm saying, you who say the certainty of arrest, a big deterrent. It in America, a better teaching conform Hana, a better making sure no matter what you do, a better. America, sometimes 40 years, someone to show certainty of arrest. Right. So, Onubwa, a band of Sana, a man deterrence near strong. What has that got to do with your question? This is the relationship. The relationship says you was systems in place, someone for the talk or kidnapping, gun or kidnapping, then need then you betu. And that's all could you betu. And now who could make the homicide you betu. And the Ocean conform into a band of Sanoa. The threat to no pono, depending on the context, it be from Kakra, and every case. But certainty of arrest is very important. And I think that is where we should all start moving towards. So, you have certainty of arrest now, whether president protection, whether non-collar protection, whether ordinary people protection, whether MP protection. So, you have the reputation of certainty of arrest. You don't necessarily need the military to come and do policing duty because one, the police have some respect or more resources. You demonstrated you trust them. We have justification to move the military from policing duties. We don't need military for a lot of the duties they perform. They are mainly policing duties.
Okay. Finally, Yansha cyber security issues. Once you are expecting, Osha the Cyber Security Act 2020. In fact, Section 3A, Ekasafa, the authority, cyber security authorities, object to regulate security, cyber security activities in the country. Another aspect is to prevent, manage, and respond to cyber security threats and cyber security incidents. Now, yet and the US for emum and the betre yesi will be waha o di bone. Say o assess occurrences when you say incidents here. Would you say the cyber security authorities existence yasa kra act just 2020 very relevant and our institution we are losing the power and TMI create
you me that say brilliant question as usual. Generally, you want to, as a country, you work with because of every country is part of the international community. Into Yembambo, Ejira, Mali, for Bambo, to an extent, Ejira, Burkina, for Bambo, Togo, Nigeria, America, China. We understand it, and especially with the virtual space, you're more connected than before. Apart from the virtual space, the ability to travel across the world. Into planes are traveling across, big ships are carrying people across the world. Among people are traveling, so transportation is faster. Into the world, a global village. So, Bia Bambo is said to be. America, there are a lot of people who are committing crime in other countries. There are crimes going on in America, they don't know. Into America's where was a challenge now. Mexicans for it to me who cabals be more. America, America for a across the world. Maybe America for do not have the full details like the Mexicans have. Into only the general phenomenon. The difference in a scale and a frequency. The other thing is, don't forget, countries, we are states, they be more and more powerful. Into, for example, America can put the pressure on a country to arrest somebody when the opposite, or make sure it happens. So, it is not disconnected from politics and international relations. the weight of countries who can put pressure for countries to reprioritize for security and focus on normal Asia countries because of pressure. One year, because another angle. When we are doing this analysis, we look at it not only from crime, but broader international relations, broader international politics. Very, very important to see why sometimes anomaly be AFQ. But your point is still valid. So as much as possible, no money why it is a young show say we are in charge. It is some of the crimes we should show that we are in crime. It is very, very important. But it's also true that sometimes we are collaborating, and without some minimum level of collaboration, America ain't mean a breakthrough. It doesn't mean America. It is possible, and usually highly possible that Ghana for performing some role, but and that is where they also have to show that we also sometimes contribute to some of these things. But then for me, brilliant question now, Ubisano. You have this act. How come you are not doing what you are supposed to do, and America should come and arrest?
Yeah.
Then your friend oversight. You see, the security, the security sector governance and reform generally. Governance, the media for very critical. Why? Because some of the questions you are asking, they are brilliant questions, and they are questions that NACOP should answer and answer convincingly. And that is where you call the media for many special areas are moving focus. Maybe I a specialist in maybe narcotic and crime. Or you are your area into this question, which may a comparative analysis within Ghana over historical period and then comparative with other countries. Who be first our questions now? A woman that conform say, hey, this day one time here, the media will ask you questions, especially this journalists. And that is how we improve. But your question is right. Say, given the act and given the it creates the impression that it's America will come and teach you your work, so to speak. But from my position, it is not always like that. International politics count the weight of the country. So, for example, Ghana will go America or make a super processes move because if you move you need power, able to push it. But they have so many ways of making moves, and that is where I'll end my discourse. You see, Onya, for Africa to develop, we need to unite. Because if Ghana alone dealing with America, easy catch. Nigeria alone dealing with America, easy catch. But if we deal with it as a continent, because Uko ECOWAS, Omusika Duduana is funded by foreigners. Uko African Union, Fikani Duduana is funded by non-Africans, general budget, generally, largely, which are here. But it's Mika Yahuboma, the West, Omuni more than we need them. One of it is a natural resource. A powerful which we have. But because we are teaching and it is from the bond of 1844, when Abrafuni teaching when a colonialism by I think so we should go back and unite. Yeah, unite here. We will continue to suffer, and that is where I end. Yes, gold. The first degree, a history. Some of the historical documents now, Mika a history major. We share historical documents. More before Onya, a 500 years. Abrafuni for yen gold, yen timber, yen demo. 500 years, twice. Why should you sit down for multinational companies to be taking so much? 500 years. Yankupon and created a black man inferior to Brunei. Never. We should sit down and start think. Black man is not inferior to the white man. The black woman is not inferior to the white woman. Africa is not inferior to the West. We should sit down and start thinking about support and the renewal of your mind. We should unite and see that we are not inferior and take possession of our future. We shouldn't say we are always waiting for direct foreign investment. No. When I saw it, I'm thinking, how do we make Ghana best for Ghanaians? How do we make Ghana best for Africans? And when I brought, they are not the immediate way. No. We can do it. The advantage is this, and that is the relationship with the security. It me control anymore year. Africa has the most youthful population. About 70% are less than 35.
Right.
And that is African strength. Yet to me, if you say normal year, then you reduce corruption. Now in Crawford, big positions, or who said Ghana, you don't need to travel outside. Right. I can promise you that India, Syria, Lebanese for Ghana, they don't understand why we travel because there's so much. Yet to 2 year normal year with the youth now, we will be. You're very crab. I shall say yes, and we can do it.
Thank you very much. Mr. Emmanuel Sowatey, that's piano pay.
All
right. Mr. Emmanuel Sowatey, a security expert. Bambo Mua Benepa, and I would say seven anything come more a cost swing, and of course, Nina answer was Sumas and what in Nhyira 10.